Today I'll be rating 6 popular sunscreens for oily skin, and I'll be rating them on the basis of their ingredients, their UV filters, and their texture and how suitable they are for oily skin. Hi, I'm dermatologist Dr. Nirupama, and I make videos in English on this channel and in Hindi on this channel. You could subscribe to our channels and also follow me on Instagram. First, let's talk about Wishcare Niacinamide Oil Balance Sunscreen. I will give it 7 out of 10. So this is a very good sunscreen. If we talk about the UV filters, it has avobenzone, octocrylene, homosalate, octisalate, zinc oxide, titanium dioxide. So the protection it provides is very good, but in comparison to the other sunscreen that we're going to be talking about later, this one relies heavily on older filters. Also, this sunscreen is very well suited for oily skin, acne prone skin. If we talk about the other skincare ingredients, it has niacinamide, ceramides, panthenol, centella asiatica, oat extracts, zinc PCA, hyaluronic acid. So this entire combination helps support our skin barrier, helps reduce the excess oil as well as reduce the inflammation. And the other thing about this sunscreen is it is very lightweight and it gives a matte finish over the skin. So for an oily skin, matte finish of course definitely works out. It has silica as well as tapioca starch which help give a matte finish. But if we talk about the sunscreen overall, of course the ingredients are great, but if it had much more modern UV filters, it would have been even a better sunscreen. So that is why I will rate it 7 out of 10. Now let's talk about the Dermaco 1% Hyaluronic Sunscreen Aqua Gel. So I would rate it 8 out of 10. So if we talk about this sunscreen, this is a very well balanced formulation as compared to the other formulations that we're going to be discussing about today. If we talk about the UV filters that are present in it, they are Mexoryl SX, avobenzone, ensolizole, octinoxate, octisalate, tinosorb M. So it provides a good broad spectrum protection against UV rays, both UVA and UVB rays. If we talk about the other skincare ingredients that are present in this formulation, they are hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, zinc PCA, allantoin, blueberry extract. So these ingredients help hydrate the skin without making it feel very greasy. So it is very well suitable for oily skin, acne prone skin. So I would rate it 8 out of 10. Now let's talk about Plum 2% niacinamide plus rice water sunscreen. I would rate it 6.5 out of 10. So first thing I'll look at in a sunscreen is the UV filters. And if we talk about the UV filters present in this sunscreen, they are octinoxate, avobenzone, oxybenzone, titanium dioxide. So while this combination certainly provides broad spectrum protection, but it heavily relies on the older generation filters. And the most concerning part is the presence of oxybenzone. So oxybenzone of course is a great filter. It was used extensively in the past, but nowadays there are better photostable modern UV filters that are available, and the presence of oxybenzone can sometimes lead to irritation in very sensitive skin. If we talk about other ingredients, skincare ingredients that are present in this sunscreen, they are niacinamide, rice water extracts, rice ferment, and panthenol. So they definitely help strengthen the skin barrier and overall reduce the oil production over the skin on a long-term basis. But the main criteria for rating this sunscreen is the UV filters. Though broad spectrum, they are older generation, not that photostable. Otherwise, if we talk about the texture of the sunscreen, it is very lightweight, it feels very hydrating on the skin, spreads very easily. Also, there's presence of ingredients such as stearic acid, phospholipids, which might feel slightly heavy on oily skin. So otherwise, this is a good broad spectrum sunscreen. However, it has older filters which are not that photostable. So I would rate it 6.5 out of 10. Let's talk about Minimalist Light Fluid SPF 50 sunscreen. So Minimalist has recently changed its formulations. I had earlier rated it quite low, but now since the formulation has changed, I would rate it 8 out of 10. So it contains UV filters like Uvinol A+, octinoxate, tinosorb M. So it provides excellent UV protection since they are newer generation UV filters. And the other great thing about this sunscreen is its texture. It's very lightweight, doesn't feel greasy over the skin. It has lightweight silicone, spreads easily over the skin. And the other good thing about this sunscreen is it is fragrance free. So if you have very sensitive skin, oily skin, this would be a good sunscreen. So I give it 8 out of 10. Now let's talk about Acne UV Gel Advanced Light Protection Silicone Sunscreen. I would rate it 8.5 out of 10. So it is one of my top picks. The formulation is excellent. If we talk about the UV filters, it contains zinc oxide, titanium dioxide, tinosorb S, tinosorb M, diethyl hexyl butamido triazone. So this combination gives outstanding UV protection. It gives protection against UVA, UVB, blue light, IR rays. So it is a very good sunscreen in that sense. And if we talk about its texture, it is a silicone sunscreen. So it has a smooth velvety finish on the skin, which many of the oily skin type patients absolutely like. And the only thing is this sunscreen contains a little bit of fragrance. So for most of the people it's not an issue, but people with very sensitive skin might see some bit of irritation with fragrance. Otherwise this sunscreen is great in terms of UV protection, UV filters and the texture. So I would rate it 8.5 out of 10. Now let's talk about Deconstruct Gel Sunscreen. So I would rate it 8.5 out of 10. So this is also one of the top rated sunscreens, and it is because of the modern UV filters it has, which are very photostable. If we talk about the UV filters, it has Juvenil A+, Juvenil T150, Tinosorb M, Tinosorb S. So these filters are quite photostable, so they provide very good broad spectrum protection. And if we talk about the texture, it's lightweight, it's a gel texture, it blends smoothly over the skin. This sunscreen is quite suitable for oily skin, combination skin, acne prone skin, because it has a lightweight gel texture, also modern UV filters. So I would rate it 8.5 out of 10. I have tagged all these sunscreens with this video so that there is no confusion. So I hope you did like this video and you understood which is going to be the best sunscreen for you for oily skin. If you did like the video, please let me know in the comment box below, and do let me know what other topic you would want me to make a video on. Thank you for watching.